Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the backup file itself. Run a checksum like MD5 or SHA-256 to confirm integrity. Once done, make sure the backup version matches the model code and dependency versions so you avoid subtle breaks. You should stage both data and model artifacts in a secure, writable directory. Set permissions and note paths. After staging, create a small manifest listing file names and sizes, because you will reference this manifest during restoration and validation. You now unpack the backup into an isolated environment or container to prevent collisions. Next, load model weights and configuration, then run a quick inference smoke test on a known sample. This confirms the model loads and executes. After that, validate the data schema and types, comparing sample outputs to expected ranges or metrics. If outputs differ, check dependency versions, random seeds, and normalization steps, because those commonly cause discrepancies during restoration. You finish by registering the restored model and updating routing or endpoints. Snapshot the environment and manifest so you can reproduce the state. Once deployed, run a full evaluation and monitor performance drift over the first 24 to 72 hours to catch hidden regressions. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: compare logs, file hashes, and an environment diff against the manifest. Then rerun the restoration from the manifest step by step to isolate the failing layer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.